bobcat.
I love bobcat. It's actually a bobcat or a wing. I don't know which one. I think
Little zoo thing
I'm
here.
guessing it's a wing.
Her.
Because they say it's a wing.
There's a bobcat. I think it's a wing.
It's just walking back and forth.
Dude, they actually have a bobcat. It doesn't sound like this is.
You fell and you got owie. Do you see your owie? Yeah, scraped his face up. Hey, you see that? Yeah. Look. And your little nose got scraped. Yeah, he's sad.
Got a red-shouldered hawk here.
It says photo line.
Yeah, that's his Latin name.
What a silly tree. Whoa.
Golden eagle.
Dad. Dad.
You think that's a baby?
Yeah, because it's small.
I think that's another hawk over there.
What's your hawk? Where is that?
I think it's right there with the white legs.
I see it.
Hi! Did you get wet? And a fun splash pad here. You're not used to playing with splashed water. Is that fun? Jared is not one to get wet. So. Abby. Right, oh my gosh. That's so fun. You like it?
It's not easy to.
Sadly, the bathrooms here are horrible. Is that fun? Look at this. Yes. Put them back up. You can get your shirt wet.
Trees like to eat leaves and berries.
Hi, Dad.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, you got wet.
It's hard to roll when it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Can we swing?
Ben, you going in the tunnel? In the tunnel. I see you. In the tunnel. You're swinging. At 12, they do the feeding of the animals. Should we watch them feed the beaver? Is nocturnal. And the possums are nocturnal, so we didn't get to see those.
I looked out the window.
There's Mr. Michael. Ethan, I mean.
Ah, fire!
Dad boy over there. And Jared just wandering around, exploring everything. Dad came over, told him to help Ethan. 'Cause I am stuck on pushing duty. Push. Very nice, Michael. Do you like his song? Uh-huh. Hi. Do something exciting. It's too hot.
Stop. So he's got sweet potato and carrot right now.
There you go. Here's the possums. It's feeding time, so they get them out. There's the bobcat. We're here for feeding time. They train them and feed them some chicken. Needs to touch the. Oh, good job.
That's not where we're going.
Where's he going?
No, we're going to eat in there. I'll be right back. I know. There you go. Good job.
Get up here. Sorry. Sure scripts that in.
Oh, I know you can. There you go.
What's going on?
In fact, I've only heard Rufus make a couple frequently when he gets excited about mint. That's primarily it. So those spots are a dual purpose. They're meant to look like eyes, so they are considered eye spots. So if he's got his head down while he's eating, or if he's sitting up, perhaps, and they're facing backwards, it's to look to whatever might be trying to sneak up on him, as though he can still see them, that he does have eyes in the back of his head, or that he's still looking up. They will, however, also serve as guides to young kittens that are following their mother around.
They are just kind of opportunistic scavengers. One of the reasons that they do so well is they...
Ethan, what did we do? We cleaned our car for the first time by ourselves in our driveway. Dad's putting the hose away. Did we wash the car? It's
Hey Mom, I decided I want to be when I grow up. A car washer.
a car washer's definitely not as good. But it's a lot better.
Hey Jared, I think you'll be a man when you grow up. Hey Jared, I think you'll be a man when you grow up.
Yay! We're on a very quick evening walk because it's already getting dark. Ethan's leading the way. Daddy, Riley's singing. Go get Ethan.
Hi.
Hi, you came back. Hi. Jared, can I show me Bluey? What happened to your old Bluey? Get Ethan, please.
He got lost.
He took Ethan to school with him in his backpack.
Ethan! You
Take
said
Bluey.
Ethan!
Take Bluey.
No, you said Ethan.
Mom,
And then someone gave you that one. Is that so nice of them?
Mom,
You love it? She's like, stop recording me, mommy. Stop it. I just like doing what I like to do. I like doing what I want to do. And that doesn't involve walking. He likes tickles though. Yeah, he loves tickles. And hugs. And more hugs. And he'll probably ask you to read a book. Do you like writing books?
high five.
Woo-hoo-hoo. You push stop, Jared? That didn't do it. He sure runs fast. I'm coming.